Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by making a quick backup of your fonts folder so you can restore if needed. Once done, quit any apps that may lock font files. This prevents permission errors. Now open FontBook from Spotlight or Applications. You'll see all fonts and collections. Select the font you plan to remove. Next, validate it using File right arrow Validate Font so you don't delete a system-critical or corrupted item by mistake. You'll now remove the fonts. In FontBook, select the font, then use Edit right arrow Remove. Confirm to move it to trash. Make sure to inspect both your user folder /library/fonts and the system folder /library/fonts in Finder because some fonts aren't managed by FontBook. If fonts were installed by apps like Creative Cloud, uninstall from those apps or delete their font folders. Once removed, empty the trash only after you verify apps behave normally. Finish by restarting your Mac. This forces the system to rebuild font caches so changes take effect everywhere. After reboot, open a document to confirm fonts are gone and that layout looks correct. If something breaks, boot into safe mode or run sudo atsutil databases remove, sudo atsutil server shutdown, sudo atsutil server ping to reset caches. If you accidentally remove the wrong font, restore from your backup or re-download from the vendor to recover quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.